Hey, have you heard of the news last night?
No.
Oh, should I tell you?
Okay.
So the news, some soldier guy said that there was a zombie outbreak and a zombie escaped from the scientist lab because some crazy scientist guy was making a zombie. Like he was creating an experiment.
Nah, zombies aren't real.
They are. I couldn't even show you the
News?
yes. It's on YouTube too.
YouTube?
Yes. Let's
That's
go.
a lie.
No, just watch and follow me.
Ito daw yung isang bro. There was zombie outbreak in the scientist lab. Some people are saying zombies got out of the science lab and soldiers are fighting for them. Now they're going here. So get prepared, lock all your doors and windows. Coming here. Live news.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's so like crazy.
That's a rumor.
Even my bald spot.
That's a rumor, bro.
No. Oh my God! What's that?
I think it's someone. You check it out, bro.
No.
Fine. Nung ano na daw. Ah!
Oh no, where's my hair?
It disappeared.
Oh my God, my hair. Hey, that's my hair. I finally have my hair back.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Ready na daw sila na.
Hey, it's our friend.
Hey, bro.
friend.
Hey, you got guns?
Yeah.
That's
Let's kill some zombies. We need to finish them and get out of the town. Or should we get out of the town? Let's find the car.
Wait, let's save all the people first. I know.
Yeah, sure.
No, don't save them.
No, save him.
No.
Save.
No.
Help me.
What is it?
Zombies. Oh no, thank you so much.
You want a weapon?
No thanks. I'm good. Hey.
You okay? You get beaten? No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I fight them.
Let's go find our car. Chloe! Come here, girl. Everybody, let's go. Our dog. Everybody, let's go. She's ready. Everybody hop in the car.
Ubus na daw amo yung guns nila. Help me! Coach, please!
Oh no! Bang. Yeah. Let's go, Lolo.
Let's go, pilot team!
Let's go!